Mga kapuso, karong buntaga sayron ta kung unsa-unsa ba ang ginahimo sa Student Political Party ug unsa ba ang mga tabang ingon man kabag-uhan nga ginahatod niini sa atong katilingban. Happy welcome mga kapuso ang founder sa Alyansang Atenista, si Sir Raymund Acedera. Sir Raymund, good morning and welcome dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV na makita sa Tibok Mindanao. Kumusta ka this morning?
Hi, Sai. Mayong buntag. Kaloy sa Diyos. Maayo man. Niya din ko karon sa Manila. Based na ko dire. Things are going back to normal dire. So, pasalamat ang safe ta so far sa karong panahon na.
Alright, Sir Raymund, glad to hear nga na ka sa maayong kahimtang despite all the challenges nga atong giatubang this past few years. Pero sir, sanglit ikaw manggayod ang nagmugna aning Alyansang Atenista. Give us a little background, unsa ba ang ideya behind ninyo kaniadto ngano kini ninyo gimugna?
Mo atras ta gamay, Sai, no? Okay, that was 36 years ago nga gimugna nato ang Alyansang Atenista in February of 1987. Officially founded February 10 of 1987. At that time, I was in my third year sa college. We brought together different student political parties at that time. Daghan man mga dominant nasa man mga parties kada colleges, but we came together, nagsugod gyud ta kay ang what brought us together was to put forward a genuine student agenda. Walay ideolohiya, kundi student agenda gayud nga haum sa prinsipyo sa Ateneo formation nga ituog kita sa mga prinsipyo sa authentic Christian humanism, active non-violence, and therefore we said, okay, let's come together, let's form an alliance, and among prinsipyo at that time, simple kayo, maka-Diyos, maka-tao, makabayan, maka-estudyante. We acknowledge na din sa imong college, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Engineering, College of Commerce, no, Agriculture, independent ko, we acknowledge your autonomy din ha. Pero kung gatuo mo nga at the university level, you share principles and values lugar sa amoa, mag-uban ta. So mo to, nag-uban, namugna ang Alyansang Atenista.
Sir Raymund, as a political group o party, unsa bagayod ang main purpose o ginahimo sa inyong grupo? Unsa-unsa ang mga kahimuan nga nakatabang ngadto sa katilingban?
Ang Alyansang Atenista sa over the years na define sa dayon ang reason for being nato, no. So una ang nabuhat sa alyansa is to develop the leaders, number one. Because for you to be an effective leader, this just happen by accident, no. You need to be in an organization nga mutabang mo hold og form kanimo. And that's how Alyansang Atenista help form leaders in university. But what really I'm very happy about is after university side, over the years, kaning leaders nato during college, pag-graduate nila have also developed to become very effective leaders outside the university. So ang impact sa Alyansang Atenista, wala lang dito sa during college, way after. Corporate, entrepreneur, public service, who during their school years, nagsugod ang formation and gipadayon na nila way after. So that's one of our contributions to community after college.
Pero Sir Raymund, stereotype gayod no sa atong komunidad labi na pag usa ka estudyante ang expectations kinahanglan mag-eskwela og tarong ug mag-focus ni ini. Pero sa imong lantaw sir, unsa ba ka importante nga adunay student political party nga gahisgot sab sa mga napapanahon nga issues sa atong komunidad?
Of course, we would love to say, student leader ka, first and foremost, you've got to be a responsible student. So we will urge our leaders na, oy, dili nga maglambigit ka, maurot imong oras din na, una, responsible estudyante ka. That's one. So among piliin nga, among i-invite sa group works, responsible leaders. And once in the organization, we provide the support, the training, we provide the encouragement, the inspiration for one another, different colleges coming together, journeying together, bringing out the best in one another and learning from each other. That way, ang journey nato becomes richer, a lot more memorable, and most importantly, we are in a better position to serve the students Japon and the community in general.
Siyempre Sir Raymund, tulo ka dekada na ang inyong grupo. Along the way, unsa-unsa ba ang mga challenges nga naatubang sa grupo o paunsa ninyo ni gi-overcome nga nakalig-on gayud sa inyong grupo?
36 years is a long time. You have to evolve as well in changing times. No? So we have to refresh that, revisit our purpose and our priorities. The last 2 years in particular, has been challenging. The pandemic environment, kay lisod baya di ba, walay face-to-face, di mo makagrupo, puro online. So to developing leaders during the pandemic was uniquely challenging kay leaders have to be motivated. It's very hard to motivate, to get action, to get results, to communicate and inspire one another, which is the spirit of Alianza in a pandemic situation. So we had to try extra harder for that.
Karon ba Sir Raymund, kumusta ang kahimtang sa grupo? Og nantaw nimo, mas nahimo bang productive ang grupo karong panahona?
I would like to say that despite the challenges, we are very optimistic. We remain passionate. We remain committed to serve. But overall, I think we are blessed. We are very blessed nga atong leaders karon, incumbents sa university are very active and busa ang status karon. I am now more than ever. I am very excited with the years ahead sa Alianza after 36 years.
Lastly, Sir Raymund, alas sa itong mga kapuso viewers this morning, basin aduna kay mensahe o words of advice ka mahatag ngadto kanila.
Gasugod kita sa pag-eskwela, dili man lang para kay mo graduate, kung dili para pagpreparar after graduation, right? So therefore, the number one advice is, as much as possible, maglambigit gayud. Be involved. That if you want to learn the most, make the most out of college, get involved. That's number one. Whatever council, organization, Xavier University Athletic has a lot of opportunities for those who would like to stick their neck out and get involved. That experience is so helpful, that is so valuable, so unique. You cannot miss it during your college years. Do it now while you can. And for the elders, we always say, padayon.
Daghang salamat sa imong oras sa gihatag diri sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Sir Raymund of Alyansang Atenista Student Political Party. Padayon kamo sa paghatod og maayong kabag-uhan sa atong katilingban.
Daghang salamat, Sai, and mabuhay ang mga Mindanawon and mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.